Hi there, how you doing, all you YouTubers? This is Jim Robb from Agora once again. Thank you very much for watching my first video, either subscribing to the channel or at least commenting on it. If you didn't look at my first video, it was on my car stereo system. This video right here is going to be a design that I'm going to do, hopefully, in my car on another system coming up. So, let's see. Watch where I put my finger. If you look right here, that's going to be a, I want that to be a JL Audio tweeter. Right here, that's a stock 6.5, and I want that to be a JLW, a 6W3. Now, if you look here on the door panel here where the map pocket is, I want to get rid of this whole entire thing right here all the way up to the light, and have right here in this spot I want to put a custom door panel, and then I want to put three 6.5 6W3s by JL. One here, one about here, one about here, and of course the one right here. Okay? Then what I want to do is I'm only going to show you one side because it's reduplicated the same way on the other doors on the other side. So right here I want to put a 5.25 here, I want to put a 6.5 here, and another 6.5 right in this spot. Of course there would have to be a custom door panel made, and then possibly a tweeter maybe up here somewhere around there. Okay? And then as we come to the back here, as whoever saw from my last video, I have this one woofer here, but I want to get two of them. And then if you look real closely here, you see my light in the back, and then the ceiling. Well, right there I want to put a 22-inch, there's a 22-inch drop-down video screen from a company called Pyle, P-Y-L-E, and I want to have that installed as well. So let's go back to the front door here and recalculate this, or look at this. So if you got to double everything because there's two doors, two front doors, two back doors. So if you figure one speaker here, this would be your second one, your third, your fourth, and your fifth. So I'm gonna in the custom door panel here. So I'd have 5 speakers in the front door here, and 5 speakers in the other door. So that's 10 speakers in the front, and then again, speaker here, that would be 1, another speaker here, that would be 2, possibly another speaker here, that would be 3, and then my tweeter here, that would be 4. So if you double that to the other door, 4 on one side and 4 on the other, that's 8. So I've got 8 in the back row, 10 in the front, that'd be 18. And then of course in the very back I'd want to have 2 woofers, so that would be 20 speakers in all. That's a lot of power, and that's a lot of speakers, and it's going to have to be amplified by a lot of amplifiers. I'm thinking 5 amplifiers, 4 or 5 amplifiers. What I'm thinking is again, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm thinking that the tweeter's going to tap into the 5.25 or 6.5, whatever I decide to put here. So that would be 1 channel. The 3 others in the door, 1, 2, and 3, would make 4 channels. So I could run a 4-channel amp on my door here, 1 on there, and of course 1 on the other door as well. Now, again, we've got 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 speakers in the back on one door. Again, 4 speakers on one door and 4 speakers on the other in the back. So that would have to be another 4-channel amp for here, and then another 4-channel amp for the other side. So we're looking right now at 4 4-channel amps inside the car. Okay, and then I'm gonna have 2 woofers. So we got to get some massive monoblock amp for my 2 woofers. You see one right now, but if the system goes through and I get this done, I'm going to end up with at least 2 woofers. So with the speaker I have here, which is a JL 12W6, I'm going to have 2 of them, so I'm going to need at least possibly 1500 to 2000 watt amp, and always more for better. So you know, I'm thinking here either Hyphonics or JL. We'll see how the finances work out and what kind of deals I can get, but basically that's where I am right now, and we'll see what happens. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna actually even do this or not. I'm gonna give it a good shot. This is what I'd like to have done in my car. Have somebody do this, and that's the idea I have for my next stereo setup. So like I said, we'll see what happens and see if this goes through or not, and we'll go from there. Again, thank you for watching my second YouTube video, and hopefully more to come. Bye.